Welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be unboxing an Adams mystery box, and if you don't know Adams, that's basically the logo that you're seeing now, but they make a lot of detail supplies and all of that, and a lot of people in the car community think that they're really good, and upon trying them myself, they are pretty good, and I really like the brand and all that kind of stuff too. So I've seen a lot of hype like surrounding these mystery boxes and the mystery bucket, but I haven't been able to get a mystery bucket. But when I do, expect to see a video about that on this channel, so you might want to get subscribed to that. Speaking of subscribers, thank you to all of the new subscribers. I think I'm up to like 44 subscribers now, and that's really cool, so thanks a lot. And also thanks to everyone else that's viewing the videos and all of that. But if you aren't subscribed, you should get subscribed so you can see more cool Adams stuff on the channel. So if you haven't heard about Adams, they're, like I said, a detail company, and this is a mystery box, and I just want to get this out the way that I already like opened the box up and all of that because I want to see what everything was, and I just cannot contain my excitement. And anybody that knows me knows that the entire time that I was waiting on this was the only thing that I was talking about because I'm a nerd, I guess. Anyway, let's go get into what came in the box. So I'm gonna like kind of start off like at the less cool-ish kind of stuff and work my way up. So what I'm gonna do is throw that out the way, and first thing I got was this, like a little bracelet kind of thing. Kind of cool. It's cool. I like it. I don't really know what I'll do with it, but you know, it's cool. Maybe put it on my camera and use it as like to help with focus or something. So that's cool. And also got an Adams sticker, which I think they throw these stickers in with everything that they send, but I like these stickers. They're kind of cool. I have a lot of them now because I have a problem. And they also give you this, which I think is like a piece of gum or something. Haven't opened it, probably never will, but you know, that's cool. And another reason I opened up all of this, opened the box up before making the video, is so that I could kind of get like a price list kind of going on to see what this, like if ordering the mystery box is actually worth it, because the mystery box was $29.99, and obviously if all the stuff that you're getting in the mystery box doesn't amount to $29 or actually $30, then plus I think they had a sale going on for $7 flat rate shipping, so about $37, then it's kind of crazy. But I mean, I guess you can't really fault shipping because that's not really their problem, but I think their shipping prices could be a little bit lower, but that's not what we're here for. So next thing we got here is leather conditioner. I've never used their leather conditioner, but I'm going to be making some videos about cleaning my car's interior up further from the winter, so maybe look forward to seeing that in the video. If I like it, I'll let you guys know. If it works out pretty good, I'm sure it probably will, because everything else they make works pretty good. So that's that. And then we have the Ultra Foam shampoo, which, as the name implies, it's Ultra Foam shampoo, and it comes in this purple. I've never used Adams regular car soap shampoo, whatever they call it. I've never used that one, the blue one. I'll probably stick a picture up so you guys can see what it is I'm talking about, but I've never used that before. I'm really excited to try this stuff. I mean, it looks cool. I mean, it's purple, for crying out loud. Who doesn't love purple? So really hyped to see how that is, if I like that. So that's that. And then you also have this, the St. Patrick's Day detail spray, which is, I believe this is detail spray. It doesn't say, but it does say it's limited edition. See, right there, limited edition. And you also get a spray nozzle. Whoop, I'm dropping stuff. You also get a spray nozzle to go with it, so that's pretty cool too. So this is basically everything that I got. Oh, I'm forgetting some stuff. I got more stuff too. I also got these, which I believe these are probably for the leather conditioner. I can't really tell if these are pads or if these are just like application sponges or really what these are for, but I'll probably use them as like application sponges for the leather conditioner or any type of thing like that. So that's pretty cool. I can't believe I almost forgot this stuff. And I also got this premium microfiber washing sponge from Adams too. This is pretty cool. I can't really wait to try this out, which I literally can't believe I almost forgot to tell you guys about this, but I can't wait to try this out. It seems like it's going to be pretty cool. So I'm really more so excited to try out the leather conditioner and the Ultra Foam. I mean, the sponge is kind of cool. it's a sponge, and then the other red ones, kind of excited about those two. But the ultra foam and the leather conditioner and then the detail spray, I mean, you can never have enough detail spray. And like, I really love Adam's detail spray because I bought the sample kit from Adams, which is $20, which I'm gonna make a video about that because I really think that sample kit is like really cool, but I'm not gonna spoil too much about that. I'm gonna make a video about it, you guys will see it. So it's really cool, and I think like I said, I'll put a list of the prices of all of this stuff like right about here, so you guys can see how much all of this stuff costs, to see if it's actually worth it to buy this stuff separately or to get a mystery box. But I think it's kind of cool to like order the mystery box and then like not really know what it is you're gonna get, so you get really excited and it's kind of like a game, like, oh, what am I gonna get now? So I think that's really cool and I like that. So if they ever offer the mystery boxes again, which I'm pretty sure they will, or the mystery buckets, I'll definitely be getting those, and you guys will be seeing those here on the channel too, along with an unboxing and review of the sample kit, which I really like that. Like, when I first ordered the sample kit, you know what, I'm not gonna go over it, I'm not gonna go and get into that now, wait for the video on that. Like I said, that's really gonna be it for this video. So get subscribed if you already subscribed and you're one of those new subscribers. Thanks again for subscribing. Car show season is around the corner. Well, it's basically here now, and stuff's just falling and just, you know, doing stuff. But car show season is around the corner now, so look forward to more car show videos coming up on the channel. Also, it's getting to be pretty warm outside again, so detailing videos coming out, videos about how I clean my car and how I'm going to use this stuff, so I'll be able to give you guys a review of this stuff too, see if it's actually worth the money. I mean, I know the detail spray is, and I mean, this is just a like special version of that, so it's got to be the same as a regular detail spray. So look out for that. Look out for the video about the interior cleaning so you guys can see that. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day.